last few steps in Manila. And mag-board na tayo ng plane. So, mag-Hong Kong muna. Tapos stopover yun. And then Paris. So, dapat yung next footage na makikita ninyo, nasa Paris na tayo. Hi friends! Good morning! We are here in Paris. Sobrang haba ng flight. Oh my God. Anyway, so we're here at Charles de Gaulle Airport. And, yeah! Wala lang. So, we're going to go through immigration muna. And get our stuff. See you again. How should I start this? Ganito na lang guys. Airbnb horror story of my life. Pagka-landing namin ng Charles de Gaulle Airport, nag-connect ako agad dun sa free wifi nung airport. And then Airbnb informs me na yung place na I booked for a month, canceled. Oh my God, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, di ba? In-inform ko ni Airbnb na i-refund na lang daw nila ako or we could use yung payment na ginamit namin for the previous booking to book another Airbnb. Nahirapan ako kasi wala nang nag-fit dun sa 1 month na kailangan ko. All of them were booked or sobrang mahal. Buti na lang talaga, as in, Lord bless me so much. And meron akong nahanap na isang place. And it happens to be this place. It's so nice. And sobrang bait din ng host. As in, agad-agad minessage ko siya na yung previous booking namin just canceled. And then, yun, inapprove niya ako agad. And then, wala pang 1 hour, nag-Uber na kami papunta dito sa place na to. And we got checked in agad. As in, sobrang blessed. Sobrang blessed. As in, sobrang na-stress ako. Kasi, alam mo yun, nasa ibang bansa ka, guys. Tapos, wala kang matirhan. And 1 month ka pang nandito. I'm going to show you around itong place. I'm not showing you kung ano yung outside, but I'm going to show you the inside of the room. It's super nice. It's super cool. It's super clean. I love it. Super blessed na meron pa kaming nahanap na gantong place in such short time in Airbnb. I-start na tayo ng room tour natin. Eto na. This is the door. So, pagpasok mo guys, turn ko yung camera. Ito yung makikita ninyo. Yan. So, pagpasok ninyo, may kita nyo si Daddy. May dining table. Hello. Na ito yung mga suitcase namin. Hindi ko pa siya na-unpack. I'll show you mamaya. Tapos gusto ko tanggalin na yung mga shoes. Pero pasaway si Daddy. Andun pa rin yung shoes niya.
Lilinisin ko mamaya.
Siya maglilinis. Anyway, there's one sofa here. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, bag ni Daddy to. Yan. Ang ganda ng sofa, diba? Then there's a rug, and then may mga side chairs, tables. Parang IKEA nga to. I'm not sure kung may IKEA ba dito? Ha, ilawan? On natin.
They're all over.
Yan. And then ito yung bed, guys. Hindi ko alam, pero baka akin na yan. Nag-request pa kami ng sofa bed kay dun sa host namin. Probably dadating mamaya in this spot. Pero yan, there's one big bed, and then there's a TV, and then there's this super nice IKEA din to na table. I just love it. Hey guys. Sobrang ganda. And then there's heater, and then there are windows. And then ang cute kasi meron pang pa-fruits. May fruits na binigay sa amin yung host. Imagine, super short notice, tapos bibigyan pa kami ng fruits. Ha? Yan. And then, ito na yung favorite part ko, yung kitchen. Oh my God. Okay, so we have a microwave over here. It's working. Ayan. So this is very useful para ma-heat ko yung mga kailangan kong i-heat. Yan. Then, meron pwedeng gamitin. Then, there's an oven. I think, an oven. Then, merong coffee maker. Then, sinesegregate nila dito, guys, yung basura. Ito yung mga perishables. Ito yung mga recyclable goods. And then, yeah, meron ng mga utensils and whatnot, pang luto. Charan! I'm so excited na magluto si Daddy. Kasi hindi talaga ako nagluluto, diba? Then, yan, meron tayong induction dito magluluto. And then, there's a ref. Yan, malamig na. Walang kalaman-laman pa, guys. Lalagyan ko pa lang. And,
Lagyan mo na.
ito, guys, may hallway siya dito. Mini hallway. And then, dito namin nilalagay yung mga clothes namin. Yes. Then may plancha, hangers. Gusto cute nung kanilang ironing board. Ang liit-liit. Tapos meron ka pa nitong stool kung gusto mo maglaba, diba? Ang cute. Else. Dito naman sa cabinet na to, wala, cabinets lang. Ah, ito yung water heater. And then the banyo, my favorite. Alam nyo guys, dream ko talaga yung house na all white. So nung nakita ko to, oh my god. All white. Yan. Tiles yung floor. Meron, I think, lahat naman yata ng bahay may ganito, except bahay namin. Yung towel heater or warmer. Sarap. I love it. Then, dito ka pwedeng maglaba, tapos isasampay mo dyan. Dito. So, alam mo naman, since 1 month ako dito mag-aaral, maglalaba tayo, guys. And, may shower. Yes. Uy, may pa-shampoo. Ano yung shampoo nila? Garnier Ultra Dew and Manava Gel Douche. Cool! Yung water closet. Wala silang bidet. Yay! May hair dryer! Oh my god! Pwede na ako magpatuyo ng buhok. And meron ding, wala. Yun lang. Tapos meron sabon. Guys, you don't know how happy I am. We just instantly booked this Airbnb an hour ago. And ito na. Ang saya-saya, diba? I don't know why, but I'm really saddened na nag-cancel yung previous booking. But it's a blessing in disguise. Kasi mas maganda naman tong na-book namin bago. Okay guys, it's time to unpack kung anong dinala ko dito sa Paris. Medyo malayo ako sa camera, so baka humina yung audio. But this is it. I have 2 maletas. Itong maliit na for hand carry. Then itong medyo malaki-laki for check-in. So, unahin natin yung hand carry kasi mas madali siyang i-unpack. I have my laptop, all the chargers, and yung mga external hard drives for editing kasi I'll be posting yung mga YouTube videos from here. I'm so excited kasi naka-fiber yung internet nila dito. So, gusto ko malaman kung gaano katagal bago ako maka-upload ng video. Dahil 1 month ako mag-study dito at kahit na merong makeup brushes na ipro-provide sa school, I still brought with me all my favorite makeup brushes. I also have with me some school supplies like pencil pen, a notebook, stickers, tissue, essentials na hindi ko na gustong bilhin dito, diba? Kasi mas mahal kapag dito mo bibilhin abroad. And I also have yung mga gamot na kailangan ko. I put them here in this organizer para lahat na itong tab na to kapag may ubusipon, ito pag may lagnat, ito kapag meron kang LBM, and then ito yung mga band-aids. So, it's really easier for me to organize yung mga kailangan ko dito. Dinala ko din dito sa Paris itong makeup kit ko. It's important for me to bring it in this super safe case para hindi mababasag or what. Kung gusto niyo makita guys yung dinala kong makeup kit dito sa Paris, comment down below and I'll make a separate video for my makeup bag. Food is life, sanitary pads, kasi mahal ang sanitary pads dito. Yun ang laman ng aking hand carry. Let's move on to our check-in bag. Yeah. Please. Oops. I have shoes, running shoes, and shoes na medyo formal, tripod, curling iron, then underwear, have jackets, lots and lots of jackets kasi winter ngayon dito guys. And then ito guys, meron akong dalang isang balot ng disposable underwears. I do not like washing underwear. Lalo na kapag ganito na medyo toxic yung schedule, tapos nasa abroad ka, na pag uwi mo gusto mo na ng pahinga. So, yan. Disposable underwears. That's the way to go. Dala ko lahat ng kape, and then yung mga pang-breakfast ko. And then, meron akong pancit canton. I cannot live without pancit canton. Pancit canton is life. More boots, more food, all my skincare essentials. Shampoo. Yung shampoo ko, guys, ito, nakasachet para dispose na agad. And then, sabong panlaba, perla, para hindi masakit sa kamay. And then, we're going to cook a lot of sabaw. So, lahat ng Knorr na mga ready-to-make na sabaw, meron ako. And then, all my foundations na kailangan ko for school. And this one, we will not go into detail, pero I have all the shirts, pants, so, undergarments, yung mga heat tech na mga damit, they're all in here. So, that's it, guys. Ito lang yung dinala ko sa Paris kasi yung mga essentials lang talaga yung kailangan ko. Almost lahat ng damit ko, guys, kung hindi man black, medyo dark yung color. Para hindi ako lamigin. Kasi nga winter dito. So exciting. And that is it for this video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kahit na medyo na-stress ako or na-hassle ako sa sitwasyon, I just held on lang talaga, prayed so hard na meron kaming mahanap na place na matitirhan for a month. And ito na siya. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating room tour at sa unpacking ng aking dinala. I know, onti lang yung dinala ko, pero basic lang talaga, essentials lang talaga na kailangan mo for a trip. You don't really have to bring your whole house. So that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below kung nangyari na rin ba sa inyo yung mga ganitong stress when you're traveling. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!